Good morning guys, it's Friday and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Polka Dot House. As per my last video tutorial about easy body construction, I will show you how to create a skirt out of this block. It's very simple. Get a new pattern paper. Just put over in the top just to make sure the pattern paper is straight from the front. With this measurement, the waistline is 26. You don't need to make a new block of the skirt. It's already there. You just need to trace it. The hip is 36. The length of the skirt is on your own preference. Okay, once you put a new pattern paper over the block, just make sure front should be straight because we will cut the front in fold. First thing you can do is trace the waist. Just make sure those lines underneath is very visible. First hip line, the second hip. This is the important to keep the block. So in case you want to make bodies, you can trace. If you want to make a skirt, you can trace. You can make a dress without a cut in the waist with this block, or you want a blouse and a skirt with this block also. You can play so many things with the block. So I suggest in the front, just make from the waist 4.5 inches. It should be straight going. So 4.5 is there. Alright. Here. This one is center front. Okay. So this is side back. This is side front. This is center front. And we will get the center back line. It's very easy. Okay, so again, the length is on your own preference. The standard knee measurement is 21, so I will just make it right 19.5. So it's 1.5 inches above the knee. If you want to make it 18 or 17, as I said, it's on your own preference. This is now our skirt. This looks very straight, so I suggest to make a little bit narrow in the bottom. Let's try half inch here and half inch there. Curve to get a very good shape. It's not too tight and it's not too loose. Then in the dart, fold it like that. Fold this one. Cut this one. After you fix your pattern like this, trace in the new paper, and then you can just put allowances all around. In the side you put 1 inch allowance, 1 inch in the back, and then 1 inch in the bottom, and half inch here. Okay, this is now the skirt. Okay. Very simple. Like that. This is now your skirt. So this is your skirt. I do hope you learned something today. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe.